Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to hop straight into the video this time. So here I am going to be applying my wig cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. Today we are going to be installing my kinky curly wig, which is also known as my wifey unit, on my website. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the sides where my ears are at, so that when I go to molding and doing my ball cap method, it lays seamlessly and I don't have to worry about doing this later. So yeah, I'm going to take my got to be glue and I'm going to literally outline my hairline perimeter. I go about a half an inch above my hairline, just because I don't, once I get to molding my hair down and actually applying the wig, I don't want the glue to actually be on my hair. So I go about a half an inch above my hairline once I'm applying the got to be glue, so that everything can be seamless. Now I'm going to take my got to be spray and literally spray it exactly on the line that I just created. This way you don't have to necessarily do this step. The got to be glue is just as fine, but I like to do this so that it can be extra secure and so that my ball cap method can lay flat. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just blow dry that down. You want to make sure that it is completely dry before you move on to the next step. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the cap. What I'm going to do, I'm just basically cutting off the excess of the cap. That's it. And this step does not have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you get as much of the cap off as possible. You want to get it as close as it is to the got to be that we sprayed on there as possible, so that when you go in to put our makeup on and put our wig on, it will lay as seamless as possible and it will give off that ball cap effect. The makeup that I'm going to be using today to give my ball cap method is by NYX. It's called Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then it's in the shade Chestnut, I believe. And I'm also using my Julia brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and squirt like 2 dabs on the brush, rub it, smear it in so that it won't just, so it can kind of go everywhere and not just in one place. And I'm just gonna smooth it in until it gives me the look that I'm trying to go for. And I'm not too worried about the makeup that got on my forehead, because once I go to apply my wig, it's literally going to blend in seamless as possible. This is my wig from my collection in its natural state. Every wig that I make and customize comes already pre-plucked, bleached, and pre-styled. So if you were to order anything from me, you will already have it already ready to go. So by the time you get it in the mail, it's going to literally be ready to go. This is the inside of the wig. It does come with an adjustable strap, and I'm just going to put it on and boop. See, right here is already seamless and you barely could tell, but I'm going to go ahead and still apply some glue because I want to give y'all the full effect and show y'all how this lace really melts. So now that I know exactly where I'm going to put my lace at, I just pulled my lace a bit back, and I'm going to be going in with my Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive. This adhesive is no joke, y'all. If y'all get this adhesive, I'm telling you right now, like, it ain't going nowhere. But I'm just going to go ahead and start off with one layer. I'm using a popsicle stick. You can get this from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, wherever. And I'm just going ahead and I'm just smearing it in. The effect that I'm going for, I'm just like pushing it towards the front so that it can kind of give off a flat surface type of look. You don't want it to be clumpy and bumpy because it's not going to dry well, and then when you go to stick your lace, it's not going to, you definitely going to be able to tell. So you want to make sure that once you're applying each layer of glue that it dries and it is flat as possible. I'm only going to do 2 layers because, like I said, this glue is the truth. I'm telling you, it's like gorilla glue on your head, stuck. It ain't going nowhere. But yeah, so before you apply another layer of the glue, you want to make sure that it is dry, it's clear. I will show you guys what it looks like when it is ready for another layer. This is what it's going to look like when it's clear and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and add on the second layer. And I'm just doing dots. There's no specific way that you can do it. You can do it however you want to. I just don't do as much because, like I said, this glue ain't nothing to play with. So, yep, I'm just going to go ahead and add on my second layer, and I will be back. Now when y'all are pulling y'all wigs up front to stick it on that glue, make sure that y'all take y'all time. Don't be like me, rushing, trying to hurry up and put it on there. Make sure y'all take y'all time, because when it's stuck, it's stuck. I'm telling you, like, this glue is like, I'm telling you, if you work out, if you are going swimming, anything, like, this glue is perfect for you. But right here, I'm just taking out the area in which I'm going to be making my baby hairs before I actually apply an elastic band on it, so that I can make sure that the glue is melted and that it is laid down. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here. Drying and getting in place, I'm just gonna go ahead and customize my leave out part. So I'm going in with the Sheez's Bomb wax stick. You can get it off of Amazon. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the area I just put the wax stick over with my hot comb. Now, this is the tip to keep your curly hair with the wet and wavy look all day long. What I use in the bottle is water and some of my conditioner, probably like 3 or 4 drops. You don't want to just spray straight water on your hair because water doesn't have any moisture or anything like that. So when you add the conditioner to the water, it actually helps the hair stay moisturized and conditioned all day long. So when you go in and you spray this on your curly hair, it will look like this all day long. And if you want to add a little extra to it, you want to put mousse on it afterwards, and it will seal in your curls all day long. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my duck clips and I'm going to pin back the hair because I'm about to take the elastic band off so that I can complete the style and finish my baby hairs up. When you are making your baby hairs, there is no specific way that you can do them. You can do them however you want to do them, how long, how short, how squiggly, it does not matter. It's totally up to you. This part of the hairstyle is my favorite part because it gives me creativity and it allows me to just do it and customize it the way that I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those baby hairs down because girl, they looking real 80s right now. So yeah, I will just allow this to play through and you guys will see my results at the end. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what the hairstyle looks after it is kind of dry. It's a little bit dry, not all the way dry, but yep, my baby hairs are the way that I wanted them to be. And this is what the front looks like. See this, that Ericka J held me down. Adhesive is not going nowhere. This hair ain't nobody, somebody can come up and try to snatch my wig off. That boy is not coming, or scalp. But yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell another best friend so that they can get hip to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, you guys. So I thank you so much for watching, and until next time.